Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change profile photo on TikTok application. Okay, first of all, let's just open our TikTok application on our phone, and we're going to open our profile, so we can tap on the profile button and tap on your current profile photo. And here you can click on change photo. Okay, and you can select a photo from your device or your gallery. And for example, I'm going to select a photo from this pictures folder, and I'm going to select this photo. Okay, and after that we can click on confirm, and here you have a choice to post this photo or not. And I'm not going to post this photo, so I'm going to click on this check mark button, and after that we can click on save like this. Okay, now as you can see that my profile photo has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change profile photo on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.